Hello everyone. Welcome to another video. Today, we will discuss about latest mid-range Galaxy M series by Samsung. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates, and help me achieve 1000 subscribers milestone. Let's discuss about latest V-notch Galaxy M. Yes. The notch is confirmed and it will be a V-type notch. Although Samsung made fun of Apple, but now they are on the same path. Amazon India, via India Today, has announced that Samsung will release new mid-range Galaxy M series in India on January 28, 2019. The series is expected to consist of 3 smartphones, M10, M20 and M30, all of them featuring new Samsung Infinity V teardrop notch display. In a teaser from Samsung India, it was noted that these smartphones will have a zippy processor, a wide-angle dual rear camera and 3x faster charging big batteries, likely to be 5000 mAh. While the exact specs of the phone are still under wraps, the Amazon listing shows that they will have a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, USB-C, and a headphone jack. The rear cameras are a 13MP unit with f1.9 aperture, as well as a secondary 5MP shooter for depth information. Powering the device is Samsung's Exynos 7885 SoC, aided by 3GB of RAM and 32 or 64GB of storage. However, it will operate under Android 8.1 Oreo. In an interview with Reuters, Samsung India's Senior Vice President Asam Warsi said that the phones would cost between $140 to $280, and will have large batteries and quick charging. Galaxy M10 is said to come with a 5.6-inch LCD display and it will run on an Exynos 7870 processor, that's currently found on the Galaxy J7 Pro. More Samsung Galaxy M20 details outed, and thanks to sketches from the manual. There are some images that seem to be part of the upcoming M20's manual. The bigger Galaxy M20 is said to come with a 6.1 inches LCD display, and it runs on an Exynos 7885 processor, which is similar to last year's Galaxy A8 series. The M20 measures 156.4 by 74.5 by 8.8 mm, and weighs 183 grams. The device is expected to feature a 12MP plus 5MP dual camera setup, an 8MP selfie camera and a large 5000 mAh battery. The Galaxy M30 handset has a 6.3 inches LCD panel, with 1080 and 2340 resolution, and a pixel density of 409 ppi. The Samsung Galaxy M is expected to be a game-changer smartphone in India, as India is the second largest smartphone market, and dominated by Xiaomi smartphone that are cheap and appropriate in use. Therefore, Samsung has decided to break some market and hit the floor. That's all from today's video. Hope you like it. Please comment below and let us know about your views on latest Samsung Galaxy M series and the V-notch Infinity display. Also, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. We'll meet in another video.